Hello, Discovery friends. This screencast is about Task 3 in the Nobel Prize project. Today we're going to talk about designing your own activities. You'll actually spend the majority of your quarter working on this part of your project. So if we explore some of the links we have here, first of all, you're not probably used to planning your own lessons or activities. So we have some resources here to give you some ideas of what would an appropriate activity be. So there are some ideas here. You could find answers to a question that you have. You could find an online game or modeling program in order for you to better understand a concept. You could find an experiment to engage in. You could build a model. You could create your own infomercial, podcast video, and so on. You could involve other people in the tasks that you create. There are some great resources on this page. If you go below, there are the different levels from Bloom's taxonomy of the ways that you think about content. So you can apply the things that you learn about your area. You can do some analysis, and there's some question starters and project ideas, as well as some online tools to help you do those things. Evaluation is listed here, and synthesis and creation is also listed. So there is a good deep list of ways that you can create your own activities. Additionally, if we go to these, we have some things that are listed already by the areas of the Nobel Prize award categories, and we can continue to add to this list if you find resources that are helpful for your own area that you chose. And then we have one more resource. Okay, I'll need to check that link to make sure. So we've got some questions here you probably want to think about as you're planning your own activities. And what you'll do is make a copy of this. You can put it into Google, and then you're going to plan your activity in the top half, and then when you finish your activity, you're going to fill out a brief reflection, and that's going to kind of help you think through the work that you are doing. It says Microsoft Word, but you can certainly put it in a Google Doc for you to work on your things. So basically, you are planning a total of 3 activities to start, and then you'll engage in doing those activities, and they should be related to the area of study that your Nobel Prize biography is based on for Task 2. So that is Task 3. Another great idea, just to kind of run this by you, if you, let's say, you're working in chemistry. So if chemistry is your prize area, then you may want to search for chemistry lesson plans, because lesson plans often describe things that teachers would do with students in terms of activities or in terms of experiments. And so this is another route, is to do a search for your topic plus the words lesson plans. So that's something that you may want to consider. We'll just add that right here as an idea. So I'm going to say try doing an internet search with prize areas plus the word lesson plan. Okay, and see what comes up. And that's pretty much Task 3.